What happens to your body when you do resting squats 5 minutes every day? Your chair is killing you. But there's one ancient position that can save your body in just 5 minutes a day, the resting squat. When you squat low, heels flat, something crazy happens. Your hips open, your spine decompresses, your knees actually get stronger instead of weaker. Blood circulation improves, digestion gets smoother, and your body starts moving like it was designed to. Sounds too simple, right? That's because in modern life, we forgot it. But in cultures where people squat daily, knee pain, back pain, and stiff hips, almost non-existent. Hold up, don't just watch. Squat right now. Seriously, if your heels lift or you fall backwards, boom, you just discovered how much your body has been sabotaged by chairs. Do it for 5 minutes a day, and here's the shocking part. Week 1, torture. Week 2, easier. Week 3, you're moving smoother, standing taller, even breathing deeper. Stick with it long enough, and you'll unlock a secret weapon. Joints that don't age like everyone else's. So, are you going to keep rotting in your chair, or reclaim the primal squat your ancestors mastered? Comment if you tried it. Smash like if your heels betrayed you. And share this with a friend who can't bend without groaning.